We all know about the Hattrick Public School. Now it is International Delhi Public School. We have with us the principal of the school, Dr. Kamal Zamani. He is actually from Middle East, from Iran, if I am not
From
wrong.
Middle East and then from Australia.
Now we are
background.
okay. Could you please introduce what actually the school is all about?
Okay. I'm Kamal Zamani and I'm delighted to be the academic director of International Delhi Public School, Srinagar. Actually, I have a very long association with IDPS Society New Delhi. And this school, IDPS Srinagar, is directly run and managed by the IDPS Society New Delhi. IDPS Society is an elite educational organization, and we have about 114 IDPSs throughout India and abroad. I have an experience of 27 years of school management. I'm a member of International Principal Network as well as Global Education Leaders. I have done my BSc, MSc, MPhil, as well as Bachelor of Education. And I have received many national and international level in the field of education and social welfare. And then I'm also, as I said, my background is from Middle East and Australia. So that's because of this rich background.
How beneficial this school will prove for the kids, for the students of Kashmir Valley? There are already so many schools that claim that they are the number one. Do you think there is any difference between this school and other schools?
I believe in whatever we promise, we are going to do that. When we promise that we are going to provide the best possible education for the children, that we are going to do that.
So you are hopeful?
No, I'm not hopeful. When I said I'm going to do, I'll do.
So you will deliver the goods and you know
Yes,
that?
we are going to deliver the goods. And for that reason, now we are providing a training session for all our teachers. And as I said, the aim of the IDPS is to provide opportunities for the students to excel in academic, co-curricular activities, as well as to be a good and shining and human being. For that reason, we are collaborating with Maria Montessori Europe. The school is also affiliated to Maria Montessori Europe. And their resource person, their CEO, Mrs. Charu, she has come all the way from New Delhi and to guide and train our teachers that how to educate the kids from the foundation level, so that when they gradually they go to upper classes.
Mr. Zamani, I have a question. Every parents actually wish that their children should get admitted in reputed schools.
Yes.
The schools that provide better, that impart better quality education.
Yes.
But the problem is that these schools charge exorbitant fee.
Yes.
The fee structure is such that every parent cannot afford it.
Yes.
So do you think that a kid from poor background or middle class background can find any place in your institution, in the school?
Yes, of course. This school is for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And then, the facilities which we are providing is as well as best facilities in any good school.
I'm not talking about facilities, I'm talking about fee structure.
Yeah, fee structure is very, Our fee structure is, it's from the government. Yeah, there is a fee structure committee. So they have, made this, fee structure, and they check, they inspect our school
Okay,
also.
whatever committee will decide, you are going to follow those
we are
directions.
going to follow that.
So, International Delhi Public School claims that it has started Maria Montessori educational system. Huh? We have with us CEO Maria Montessori, Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR, Charu Kumar. Huh? You are welcome, madam.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for welcoming me in the Srinagar, and I'm very delighted I'm here. And thank you very much. So,
What actually is this Maria Montessori? A lot of parents might not know, and they might be interested in knowing about this Maria Montessori educational system. Could you please throw light on this? What actually this educational system is?
yeah, sure. First, I want to introduce myself. Myself, Charu Kumar, and I'm a CEO of the Maria Montessori, and I founded first Montessori school in Delhi NCR, that is in 2003. So I have a 17 year of experience with the Montessori education system, and we are trained from the AMI, that is Association of Montessori International, Netherlands. And we are following the Montessori education system because it's a completely based on the scientific research and the observations. We are professional here, 0 to 6 year children specifically, but yes, it's a myth. Montessori is only related to the younger children, but that is related to the up to 24-year children. Fine, but we are here giving the foundation for the 0 to 6 year old children. And first time we are introducing in the Srinagar. Already we have another branches on the pan India, but here in Srinagar with the collaboration of IDPS, yes, we are working with them, and we are very happy. And the infrastructure they are offering here with the Srinagar students, with the Jammu students, is really very nice. And what is exactly Montessori? It's a scientific model of education actually. So here we are making a foundation of the children. We are offering the quality not only on the traditional education system, we are offering the quality related to all the particular activities by which we are making the children independent. We are making enhancing, we are introducing a senses, we are refining their existing senses, and through the senses we are preparing their personality. We because children they have to construct their personality in the very early age, so that is the 0 to 6 is the foundation age. So here we are offering that quality of education where they can construct their intelligence, there they can work with the with all the different challenges, and when they will get the challenges, then they can sport their society, and you can say sport their work, and indirectly we are making their foundation strong, because if foundation will strong, then we can say only yes.
Is there any school that has already introduced this Maria Montessori educational system in Kashmir Valley? I'm talking about Kashmir Valley.
I don't think so. Yes, people are using the name of Montessori, but that is not an authentic Montessori, because yes, only keeping the material and only just saying the Montessori, this is not a Montessori. Montessori is a different education system which we have to follow it, which we have to understand it, that we have to we have to give them the introduction about this system. So I don't think so there is any authentic Montessori school available here in Srinagar, which we are going to start with the collaboration of IDPS.
Ma'am, you are affiliated with, where you have the affiliation? I'm talking about affiliation.
Yes, Maria Montessori is affiliated from the Montessori Europe and the quality assurance company that is in the USA, and we are following the guidelines of the AMI, that is Association of Montessori International. Why we are saying AMI again and again? Because that is the only organization which is integrated by the Dr. Maria Montessori only, and she has started this Montessori education system because she was the first Italian doctor. She has started this Montessori education system, and her name was Dr. Maria Montessori.
What is the difference between this Maria Montessori educational system and other systems that are being followed by other schools already exist in Kashmir Valley?
Yeah.
So, is there any message from you to parents that look, you got your kids admitted in this school, and it will be a different educational system here? Could you please tell us what actually benefits these kids will get from this educational system?
See, we are preparing the children from each area, not only a traditionally system, not only if we are saying, because normally what is the difference between the Montessori and the traditional system?
Yes.
Traditional system are completely based on the textbook, and some of the simple activities are offering through the playground and all, but here education is offering through a specific Montessori materials. You know, the children,
Like?
for example, if we are talking about a one of main activity, that is a binomial cube. Normally a plus b whole square we are teaching in the class, maybe in the algebra we start maybe in the class of 4th or 5th, but here with the LKG children, we are KG1 children, we are offering this equation with a specific material is there, we call it's a binomial cube, and we are not telling this is the a plus b whole square, but with the material we are giving the images, and through the images they are grabbing their knowledge, and suddenly when they will grow up they connect themselves with the previous knowledge, they know, oh yes, that I want, that I know. So the parents are, what exactly we want to say the parents, see, please come and see what exactly we are offering, what is the difference between the Montessori and traditional. Come and talk to us. We just tell them how we are holistic development available here in the Montessori education, that is not available in the traditional system. So we are talking about here holistic development, physically, mentally, spiritually. That is the main important task of the Montessori education.
Ms. Kumar, there might be teachers that you are training them. Huh? How many teachers are there that will get trained by you?
If we are talking about here in the IDPS
Yes,
Srinagar,
yes.
there are around 10 to 12 teachers are there.
10 to
10
20.
to 12 teachers are there right now, because this is about to start.
Are they locals?
No, there's a mixed up of from the India. They are not only from
Mixed
the Srinagar.
lot.
It's a mixed up of these things. And there is not some are the local and some are from the different states of the India. And they are getting the trainings, and we are preparing them. And then they have to work with the children. So they should know how they have to work with the children, and that kind of training we are providing to them. And definitely they will cope up very well.